Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Elsasser. Today we're going to be looking at reconstructing Gondwana. So as you can see here, we have our continents set up like normal. Right over here we have South America, Africa, this is India, normally be connected to Asia up here, Australia, and this is Antarctica. I know it doesn't look that way on your maps, but that is Antarctica. So over time, scientists found a bunch of fossils. And so here are the fossils that they found across all of these continents in different areas. So the first one's Glossopterous in the green. You can see it here. And that is a plant. It is a fern. It does not move. It doesn't have legs. It just kind of sits there and be all plant-like. Then there's Cannamarion, which you can see in the blue, which can be found over here. And that is a land animal. It only lives on land. Next, there's Lystrasaurus, which is represented by these orange colors. And again, a land animal. It has legs, so it only walks on land. Then finally there's Mesosaurus, which is an aquatic animal, and it can be found in red, right down here. Okay, so in your book it asks, which fossils have been found on the land masses that made up Gondwana? And where are they located? So as you can see, Lystrasaurus right here can be found in Antarctica, Africa, and India. Okay? Glossopterous, which is a plant, can be found on all of them, which is South America, Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica. And then we have Cannamarion, which can be found on both Africa and South America. And finally, Mesosaurus, which can be found on both Africa and South America. Okay? So, make sure you guys write those down on question number 6. Now question 7 says, how do the fossils of Cannamarion, Lystrasaurus, and Mesosaurus support the existence of Gondwana? Now, what Gondwana is this giant supercontinent that used to be together. So, how would these land animals support that at one time these were all connected? Okay, think about your answer and make sure you write it down. Okay, and finally, we're going to make a claim about how fossil evidence supports the idea that continents move. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be connecting some of these continents to see maybe if there's a better way to represent our fossils. Okay? Now, one of the major things you have to think about here, we're going to start with Africa and South America right here. So, in between Africa and South America, we have an ocean. Okay? It is very difficult to cross that ocean. Now, a land animal is not going to swim across it. So what is the best way for them to have existed here? I want everybody to take a look. Are there connections? Okay, really? Really?